Chardonnay.
Gold is not for the king, it is sunlight imprisoned in the earth. He who carries it does not.
Solcian. The photograph was more texture than image, its surface a landscape of time. His grandfather's hand.
That, Grandfather Arlo said, his voice the sound of gravel under a gentle tide, is the sentinel of the Silver Shoals.
In the photographs, a lighthouse stood defiant on a claw of black rock.
The first night, a storm rolled in like a black fist. The world vanished. There was a...
Here. That's where I learned that a beacon isn't just for ships. It's for souls, too.
That is the sentinel of the Silver Shoals.
Tell me about the day the humpback whales came.
Finally, as Elias's breathing deepened into sleep, Arlo looked down at the photograph still on the table.
Outside, in the gathering dusk, the coast was a dream.
Arlo didn't launch into the story. He simply held the boy closer, his gaze drifting to the rainy window where their reflections shimmered together.
Tell me about the day the whales came.
How did you what it think? 자는 중 위에 대한 병자. 하는 재주로 등장.